Question 15. The initial push of a child on a swing causes a swing to travel a total of 6 feet. Each successive swing travels 80% of the distance of the previous swing. Determine the total distance to the nearest hundredth of a foot a child travels in the first 5 swings. So there's 2 ways to do this. I'm just going to show you both ways. The long way to do it is to just draw a picture. So there we go. The first swing travels 6 feet. And then the child's going to swing back, and it's going to be 80% of 6. So 80% of 6 means that the next swing would be 4.8 feet. And we just do that a total of 5 times. So 4.8 times 8 is 3.84 feet. .072 feet. And then the last swing, it says a total of 5 swings. So the last one's 2.4576. And then we would just have to add up all those numbers. 6 plus 4.8 plus 3.84 plus 3.072. So it's 2.4576. That adds up to 20 to the nearest hundredth foot would be 20.17 feet. So that's one way to do this question, just literally do what it says. But there is a formula you can use. The formula is right here. So this formula is used when you have a list of numbers that was obtained by multiplying, and you want to add up all those numbers. So we know this list of numbers was obtained by multiplying, and we wanted to add up all the numbers. So instead of doing each step along the way, I could have just used this formula. A1 is 6. Sorry, A1 is 6. 1 minus, the rate is 80% because we're going to keep multiplying by 0.8 every time. And it's going to be to the 5th power because n is how many times are we using, how many times are we swinging. So I just type all of that on my calculator. I'm going to even do fraction mode so that I don't mess up. So 6 parentheses 1 minus 0.8 to the 5 over 1 minus 0.8. And we end up with the same answer, 20.17 feet. That's the answer to this question.